what's technological innovation, or how is technological innovation, right, impacting the value chain process, which you've mentioned a few of them, but can you specifically show us which of these innovations or tech supports that have really, really made significant impact? And the other thing there is this: how do you see African free trade, influencing value chains growth? Just a quick response to that.
Okay. Technology. It's a key tool, or it's a transformative tool in increasing or ensuring proper functioning of the value chain. We
Okay.
have partnered here in UST, and the training the youth in the use of digital tools. Now, this youth that we supported, we've done about 4 cohorts. For 2 cohorts that we have done, they've been able to use just the technology to provide service from Ghana, provide service to extension service delivery for some farms in Nigeria, right from Ghana. This
Okay.
is what they have been able to do just with it. We taught them coding, and we've also taught them how to use this social media tools. So they are branding themselves and also being
Okay.
able to move produce from A to B. There was one of the youth approached me, said, "There's excess eggs here. There's a lot of eggs here, and I'm going to use my tools to now see where the demand is, and then being able to push it through." One thing too, technology, one bad experience we experienced sometimes when we were managing a farm. The person wanted to export about 10 containers of 10 containers of mango from his
Okay.
farm. Now, when the produce came for us to inspect and we did the cleaning, we realized that he could only have about 2 containers. Why?
Oh.
Because the mangoes had anthracnose. Anthracnose, because as a farmer, he couldn't go through to all his farm. He had workers who were working on the farm, but the workers were not doing everything. They're not going through to the working on that. They only work in the areas you could only see. So technology using drone is essential in this regard. So the drone will do the spraying, they'll do the mapping and everything.
Okay.
And then you can also use the drone to inspect whether your farmers are really working. So because of this, we've now part of the KNUSA, and KNUSA has now come up with a program. This is a Dropreneur, where the youth are being selected to train on how to operate drones. And we KNUSA have set up a lab, and it's named the Daniel Fahinakwe Innovation Drone and Innovation Center, where the
Okay.
youth can apply to be trained, and then this in itself will increase the efficiency of to increase to increase productivity, and also ensure the efficient running of value chains. Now, I think for AfCFTA, it's a good thing. The continental free trade. I think when this, I mean, it's been rolled out, it's working a few trade, but we haven't been able to get to where we expected to get to. But I think when some bottlenecks are cleared and we have the youth taking advantage of this, we can be able to connect properly, reduce inefficiencies in value chains, reduce post-harvest loss in Africa, and ensure increased income for our smallholder farmers. Thank you. Going back in the bed, jumping on the stage, you know, just a gamble.